Hello everyone, myself Chandni Vasi from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In previous lecture, we learned different type of curve fitting like fit a straight line, fit a parabola, and there are three types of other curve which is in conversion of data to a linear form. In these two curves we learned previous, which is y equals to a b raised to x and y equals to a x raised to b. Now the third curve is fitting the curve of type y equals to a e raised to bx. For that, given y equals to a e raised to bx to a set of n points, take log to the base 10 on both sides, we get log y to the base 10 equals to log a e raised to bx to the base 10. In this method, we take every time log to the base 10, so I call only log. Next, also we know the law of logarithm, which is log a into b is log a plus log b. So log y equals to log a plus log e raised to bx. Also the another law of logarithm, which is log a raised to x is a log x. So log y equals to a log a plus b x log e. Next, log y equals to log a plus b log e into x. We rewrite this equation as capital Y equals to a plus capital B x, which is a straight line equation where capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10, capital A equals to log small a to the base 10, capital B equals to small b into log e to the base 10 and capital X equals to small x. This equation is a linear equation in y and x. So the normal equations are summation y equals to na plus b summation x and summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. These two are the normal equations of the curve y equals to a plus bx. Now solving these two equations, we get the value of a and b. From these a and b, we calculate small a and small b. We have capital A equals to log small a to the base 10. So small a equals to anti-log of capital A and capital B equals to small b into log E. So small b equals to b by log E. Now we learn the example of y equals to a e raised to bx. So example is using the method of least square, fit the non-linear curve of the form y equals to a e raised to bx to the following data. Data are given, values of x are 0 to 4. Corresponding values of y are given 5.01 to 10, 31.62. Now we fit the curve y equals to a e raised to bx. So the normal equations are summation y equals to na plus b summation x, summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. We already known method of this curve to find normal equation. So where capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10, capital A is log small a to the base 10, capital B is small b into log e to the base 10 and capital X equals to small x. Now we solve the both normal equations which require summation y, summation x, summation xy, summation x square. So we find all these values to make a table from values of x and values of y. Now here there are 3 data given, so value of n equals to 3. Now we make a table value of x and y which already given. From that we find capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10, capital X square, capital X into y. So value of x are 0 to 4, value of y are 5.012, 10, 31.62. Now we find capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10. So we use calculator. In calculator we use the key log, because here log to the base 10 given. If log to the base e given, then in calculator we use ln x. So now we find first value log 5.012, which gives 0.70001. Next log 10, which gives 1. Log 31.62 is 1.49996, and again x square. So 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 4 square 16, and x into y. So value of x are here and value of y. We multiply 0 into 0.7001 is 0, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 1.49996 is 5.99984. Now we require summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation xy. So we adding all the finding values. So 0 plus 2 plus 4 is 6, which is summation x. 0.7001 plus 1 plus 1.49996 is 3.19997, which is summation y. 0 plus 4 plus 60 is 20, which is the value of summation x square, and 0 plus 2 plus 5.99984 is 7.99984, which is the value of summation xy. Now we put all the value in normal equations. We get summation y. Summation y is 3.1997 is equals to NA, value of n is 3, so 3A plus B summation x is value of B, summation x is 6, so 6B. This is the equation number 1. Next equation, summation xy. Summation xy is 7.99984 equals to A summation x. Summation x is 6, so 6A plus B summation x square. So B summation x square is 20, so 20B, which is the equation number 2. Now we solve equation 1 and equation 2 by elimination method and find A and B. So we have in equation number 1 3A and in equation number 2 6A. So we multiply equation 1 by 2 minus equation 2. So equation 1 multiply by 2 is 3.1997 into 2 is 6.3994. 3 into 2 6A plus 6 into 2 12B, and equation 2 remain as it is, and we subtract both the equations, so minus minus minus, which is 6.3994 minus 7.9984 is minus 1.5990. 6A cancel out. 12 minus 20 is minus 8B. So minus minus plus B equals to 1.5990 divided by 8. So we have B equals to 0.19999. Now we have put B equals to 0.19999 in equation 1 and find the value of A. So our equation 1 became 3a equals to 3.19997 minus 1.19994, which is equals to 2.00003. Therefore, a equals to 0.66668. So value of b and value of a we find. So now from value of capital A and capital B, we find small a and small b. Also we know the formula of small a and small b. So small a equals to antilog of capital A and small b equals to capital B by log e to the base 10. So small a equals to antilog of value of capital A is 0.66668. So a equals to 4.641. Same way, small b equals to capital B by log e to the base 10, which is equals to capital B is 0.19999 divided by log e to the base 10. So b equals to 0.4605. Now the final curve is y equals to a e raised to bx. We put in small a and small b value. So y equals to a is 4.641, b is 0.4605x. So this one is our final curve. Thank you.